Multiple choice reciprocal functions. Question 9. Range of a rational function. So I have three different questions here in this category of range of a rational function. The idea is that you should read the questions and answer them. You can stop the video here so that you get your answer. Once you have your answer, then you can move on and look into my suggestion. That way it will give you more knowledge and learning from these examples. Okay. The very first one is, what is the range of reciprocal of f of x equals to 10 minus x? So my idea is that what you should do is you should kind of sketch it. It takes a minute. 10 minus x is like 10 here and a line going like this, right? So what is the range of this function? That means if I draw a reciprocal of this function, then my reciprocal will be kind of like this, right? Where y equals to 0 is my horizontal asymptote. So my function is never reaching x-axis. So every real number is in the range except for 0, right? And therefore my option is B. So it's easier and faster to get the result, right? That's what I'm trying to say. But if you start reading all this, you may get confused. Okay, part B. What is the range of reciprocal of 10 minus x square? So I purposely changed this question. 10 minus x square, right? So minus means it's going downwards, right? The function is going downwards, but from 10, right? So it's kind of like this. Is that okay? It's a simple function. 10 minus x square. Now how will you draw reciprocal of this? So we'll just draw reciprocal. We'll say, well, in this half it's all positive, so reciprocal should be positive. So this half should be like this, right? And here it should be like this, correct? That's my approximate drawing of this function. But what is my bottommost point? If this is 10, then that should be 1 over 10. Do you see that? 1 over 10, right? It seems as if it is touching the x-axis. 1 over 10 is very close to it. So I'm specifically writing that my local minimum here is 1 over 10, correct? And therefore, my range is less than 0 and greater than 1 over 10. 1 over 10 is 0.1. So it's greater than, but not, that's not the right answer. It's greater than 0.1, that's correct, and less than 0, that's correct. So this is my range for that particular function. I hope you understand. That is how you have to get your answers, okay? The next one, what is the range of reciprocal of this function? So this is a typing error. Let me just say plus here, okay? So we'll just change the question here. So that's for you to do now. Maybe I will add one more option here, E, none, okay? Because I really don't know what the answer, whether it has been taken care of or not. So I'm adding one more option for you since I changed the question, okay? Now the question is, what is the range of reciprocal of function 10 plus x square? Okay, let's try to do it. So we'll again draw one function and say, well, 10 plus x square is a graph like this, correct? And this point is 10 for us, right? So this point is 10 for us. Now the reciprocal of this function should be, it's a very, very typical graph like this, right? Kind of like this. So it is always positive, as you can see, and the maximum value will be 1/10, right? So it is between 0 and 1/10. That means it is between 0 and 0.1. Do we have any option here? So it's written in the wrong way. So, well, that's not the option, right? It's written in the wrong way. So, yes, it's again a typing error. Well, anyway, so you understand, none of these is the right answer. There is a typing error here. So, so the range is that y is greater than 0 and is less than equal to 0.1, right? So I'll write here y belongs to real numbers, so that is your right answer, correct? Yeah. If I would have written here, it went wrong. So that's fine. Let's forget about it. So the real answer here is y belongs to real number where y is greater than 0 and is less than equal to 0.1 if I change my question to 10 plus x squared. Okay, I hope you understand how we find range for a rational function from these diagrams. Okay, thank you.